Top news. Exclusive. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle praised by Katie Couric for extraordinary work and not just giving it lip service. Longtime mental health advocate Katie Couric tells Hello why the Duke and Duchess of Sussex's presence is so important. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have been praised for walking the walk and not just talking the talk when it comes to mental health advocacy. I think it's extraordinary what Harry and Meghan have done in terms of really focusing attention on this issue and really getting involved, Katie Couric tells Hello, adding, they're not just giving it lip service, but getting to know these families, telling their stories, and helping to build a community around this issue. I really deeply admire their work in this area. The prince and his wife both delivered remarks at the 2025 Project Healthy Minds World Mental Health Day Festival, where Katie, a world-renowned journalist, moderated the How the Great Rewiring of Childhood Caused an International Mental Health Crisis and How We Can Reverse It panel. Meghan spoke to the audience before the panel, sharing how the work of the Archewell Foundation's Parents Network, which supports parents impacted by social media harm, had helped to create a movement as families came together to share stories and unite in their shared grief. I think they've invested considerable time and energy into this, and it's so necessary and important, and oftentimes you need somebody who's a public figure to motivate people. I think they serve an important role, Katie said, thanking them for their presence and investment in these conversations, acknowledging how important it has been for mental health advocates. Katie has been working in the field for over a decade, focusing on technology addiction and what the dependence on devices is doing to the brains of anyone who uses one. I really wanted to have a conversation to help parents and, honestly, to help parents help their kids but also themselves when it comes to cell phone use, she added. The night before, the Duke and Duchess were honored at the gala as Humanitarians of the Year. During their speech, they announced that the Parents Network initiative would be joining forces with Parents Together, a leading national nonprofit organization dedicated to family advocacy and online safety. Knowledge is power and community is strength. Expanding the parents' movement and supporting them throughout is how real change happens. That's why we are so proud to announce tonight that the Parents Network is joining forces with Parents Together, Harry said. This is a natural evolution to enable the community to continue to grow and have more impact alongside the rapid rise of technology. In their acceptance speech, Meghan added, "We met with a group of American families whose lives were forever changed by the online harms that ultimately created the tragic fates of their children, and in that first gathering, it was clear that for all of these families, meeting others who had endured a similar experience was comforting, but more than that, it was unifying. We felt the collective strength of this community coming together to heal and feeling compelled to act in a much more public way, which is what we began to do."